Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of AWS Cloud Practitioner. I'll be sharing some tips and tricks to help you prepare for the AWS exam. So, let's get started. In recent years, the term cloud has become increasingly prevalent, often discussed in vague terms that leave many scratching their heads. Alongside this, you may have encountered mentions of Amazon Web Services, AWS. Whether your company is contemplating its adoption or you're personally interested in understanding this revolutionary cloud computing platform for career development, you're in the right place. I'm thrilled you've joined us. In our course, Introduction to AWS for Non-Engineers, Cloud Concepts, we'll embark on a journey from the origins of cloud computing, tracing its evolution from the 1950s to the present day. We'll delve into why cloud computing is significant and how AWS has emerged as a dominant player in this space. Furthermore, we'll cover essential cloud computing concepts essential for laying the groundwork for your studies, particularly in preparation for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner CLF C02 exam. This certification serves as a foundational stepping stone in the AWS certification track. I'm excited to kick off this exploration of the cloud with you. Let's dive in and uncover the fascinating world of AWS and cloud computing. The AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam stands as the cornerstone of foundational AWS certifications offered by Amazon Web Services. Its primary purpose is to assess a candidate's fundamental understanding of the AWS cloud. In September 2023, this exam underwent a significant overhaul, transitioning from the CLF C01 to the CLF C02 exam code. This transition brought forth notable updates that we'll thoroughly explore across our comprehensive four-part course series. Designed as a multiple-choice or multiple-response question format, the AWS CLF C02 exam determines a candidate's success solely on a pass or fail basis. This format is tailored to accommodate individuals new to cloud computing and those lacking a traditional IT background. The exam content encompasses a broad spectrum of topics, including AWS concepts, security and compliance protocols, core AWS services, and the economic aspects of the AWS cloud. Importantly, no prior experience in the AWS cloud is necessary for aspirants to prepare for and undertake this exam. It serves as an entry point for individuals eager to kickstart their journey into the AWS ecosystem. The AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam is segmented into 4 distinct domains, each contributing a specific percentage to the overall exam weight. These domains include Cloud Concepts, 24%, Security and Compliance, 30%, Cloud Technology and Services, 34%, Billing, Pricing, and Support, 12%. Each domain is meticulously covered in our 4-part course series, with each course aligning precisely with the corresponding domain in the exam blueprint. Now, let's delve deeper into the specific domain that this course addresses, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of the foundational principles necessary to excel in the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. And that's it for today. I hope these tips help you prepare for the AWS exam and give you a better understanding of AWS cloud practices. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tech insights coming your way soon. Thanks for watching.